Start by turning off the water supply valve located on the wall behind your toilet. Hold the flush handle to flush the toilet and completely drain the tank. With the tank drained, disconnect the toilet water supply hose from under the toilet tank. Use pliers to loosen the connection if needed. If not already in place, take a large flat rubber gasket and place it inside the top of your bidet's T-valve. Then, remove the hose cap from the end of the bidet hose. Wrap the threads of the T-valve, sprayer handle, and toilet tank in a thin layer of thread-sealed tape included with your bidet. Now, attach the short rounded connector on the bidet hose to the smallest end of the T-valve and the long angled connector to the sprayer head. Be sure not to over-tighten the connections. Next, you'll connect the top of the T-valve to the toilet tank. Reconnect the toilet water supply hose to the bottom of the T-valve. Next, attach the sprayer holder and hook using the included screws. Then, lift the toilet tank lid and hang the mount on the side of the toilet in desired location. You may also choose to use the wall mount provided. Turn the water supply back on and wait 5 minutes before you use to allow water pressure to build and check for any leaks. To use, turn the bidet valve lever up to allow water to flow through the hose. Make sure to turn the valve off after every use. And there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.